First cast. Ooh, fish on already, guys. Fish on already. Fish on. First cast. Got dinner.
That's it.
Jamaican shore fishing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourself.
Yeah.
Got up late this morning. Got out late this morning. Water's still looking good though. We don't have much wind this morning, but we want to see what we can pick up this morning. I want to aim for a barra this morning. Let's pick up a barra. I think there's one hanging out here. Let's go get it. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Yeah, guys. So, yeah, man, you're good, man. See if we can pick something up this morning. Out there, Jamaican shore fishing. First cast. Ooh, fish on already, guys. Fish on already. Fish on. Fish on already, guys. Yeah, baby.
That's it.
That's it. Just as I got here, guys. Jackfish. Got him. First cast. Jamaican shore fishing. Killer. That's right, Elder. Just like that, guys. First cast. See that?
Yeah, I have it.
We're witness to that, don't we?
Yeah, I have it. Yeah, let's power it.
That's right. Let me get this lure out of him. Yeah, hold this to me. Yeah, guys, so. Yo, he swallowed this lure, boy. Look at this, guys. Jackfish swallowed the lure. Calm down, you're dead off. You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. Let me get this hook out of you. Come on. Damn it. Stop it. He swallowed this hook, guys. Wow. Alright, got one hook up. Now to get the next hook out. Oh, damn. He's a hefty fella. Alright. The hook is caught down here. He got hooked good. Let me do this. Let me secure this lure first so he won't flash it in my hand. Flash a hook in my hand real quick. Let me get this thing out. Oh, over. Back. Yep. Got him. You see how they're active, right?
Yeah.
Hold that up. Just keep holding tension on that. I just got to get this hook out of his mouth. There you go. Yep, jackfish, first cast. First cast, got dinner. Alright, guys, first cast. As I got out there a while ago, jackfish saw it, decided he wanted to kill that. Let's find that barracuda now. Let's hunt for that barra. I want that barracuda this morning, guys. Come on, I'm looking for you. First cast, guys. First cast in with a Yazori crystal minnow lure. That's it. We're killers, man. We don't play. He saw that lure and swallowed it. He hit that lure so hard, bro. It was crazy. We're gonna go around still, but I'm just working this little spot to see if I missed anything else. That's it, guys. Woo. I had Jamaican shore fishing, guys. That's it. That's how we operate. All right, I'm gonna get ahead of them. I think there's more schools that side. I think they're just passing by and heading that direction because that's the way they normally head. And they go this way all the time, bro. So let's move. Let's walk. Yeah, guys. Jamaican shore fish it. Caught that action with the glasses too, guys. Woohoo! First cast, guys. Get this one out there. See if I can pick up a barra up here. I know there's always some barracuda hanging out this side. I have to probably walk around this place, so I'm gonna walk this rock.
Yeah.
See what I was telling you about the deeper water?
Yeah, that's it.
So with the glasses, I can see through the water.
Okay.
And it allows me to see straight to the floor of the water.
Okay.
See if there's anything chasing this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You make a mistake and hit. I think over here I might pick up that barrel after all because the water looks so good. They look kind of harmless, guys, believe it or not. They do. Look at the barrel, barrel. Big fish just chased it a while ago, bro.
Yeah.
My head strap is right here. Yeah. So just cut this way here. Hey guys, so I have a little bit of help this morning. I got my friend Kenroy that's here and helping me out a bit today, and that's awesome. Awesome having some company. Hey guys, so see what I can pick up here. I might hit a barrel on this side, but I know they're over here and they're famous for this side. Create a little up. I'm gonna get to the shade, that flat water a little bit, and I think over here I might pick up that barrel after all because the water looks so good. And they love this kind of calmness, guys, believe it or not, they do. Woohoo! Yeah, baby, that's what's up. Sure fishing way, guys. Come on, where you at? Big barra. Mr. Barra. Where you at, Mr. Barra? Ooh, look at him, Barra, Jack, Barra. Big fish just chased it a while ago, bro. You seen that? Woo! Mr. Barra. I know one of you here hunting. I know you spot it. And I know you're about to hit that right about now. You don't see it? He just seen it a while ago. Water looking real good today, guys. He seen me a while ago and just said, whoop! Nothing, guys. Tried so far 3 different spots. All right, Russ, roll out time. Next spot. Making sure fishing. I just got back to the house. Totally forgot to close the video a while ago while I was out. That was it, guys. That was it for today. I was kind of not really feeling the energy to go out because I have not been feeling well the last week or two. I forced the issue to push out even though I wasn't feeling well. I still got this bad cold that I'm facing, and I just wasn't feeling it today. So after I caught that hook up a while ago, guys, I just said, all right, you know what, let's head back in, dude. I'm going to get some rest, go back to work tomorrow morning and stuff. So bless up yourself, guys. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Appreciate you guys. Please like, share, subscribe, guys, and watch the ad. We are out here.